Hire vehicle registration. The Hire Vehicle section allows users to manage and report on vehicles rented or leased by the company. This feature provides a comprehensive view of hired vehicles across different branches, making tracking and management easier. Viewing Hire Vehicle details. Branch selection, drop-down menu. Select the specific branch for which you want to view Hire Vehicle reports. Search button. Click the search button and enter any vehicle info to display results. Vehicle list information displayed. Vehicle number, registration number for reference. Vehicle code, unique system-generated identifier for tracking. Vehicle name, model or name of the hired vehicle. Vehicle type, category of the vehicle, sedan, SUV, truck, etc. Company name, name of the rental company. Details button, click to access more in-depth information about the vehicle. Edit option, click to update or modify vehicle details. Delete option, mark a vehicle for removal, requires confirmation. Adding a new hired vehicle. Accessing the Add Vehicle form. Navigate to the Add Hire Vehicle Details page. Filling in vehicle details. Vehicle code, system-generated or manually entered. Vehicle register number, official registration number. Vehicle name, enter the model or specific vehicle name. Vehicle type, select from available options, e.g., truck, van. Model, specify the model details. Vehicle company name, name of the hiring company. Vehicle rent, specify the rental cost. City and address, enter city and address details. Contact person and mobile no, provide relevant contact details. Approval date range, enter start and end dates for vehicle usage. Permit expire date, enter the expiration date of vehicle permits. Diesel, yes/no, specify if the vehicle requires diesel. Vehicle basis hour. Ton. Kilometer. TDS, yes/no, indicate whether tax deducted at source applies. Check favoring name, specify payment details. Remarks, add any additional comments or notes. Saving the vehicle details. Click the Save button to store the vehicle information. Editing an existing hire vehicle record. Locate the vehicle entry in the list. Click the Edit button next to the relevant vehicle. Update the required fields. Click Save to apply changes. Deleting a hire vehicle record. Identify the vehicle to be deleted. Click the Delete option. Confirm deletion to remove the entry from the list. The Hire Vehicle Management feature streamlines the process of managing rental vehicles, ensuring that all necessary data is recorded, updated, and accessible. Regular updates and reviews are essential for maintaining accurate records and compliance with company policies. Location Master. The Location Master feature is a tool for managing and organizing branch locations and their associated sub-branches. It allows users to selecting a branch. Use the drop-down menu to choose a specific main branch. This helps filter location information based on the selected branch. Searching for locations. Utilize the search bar to find specific locations using keywords related to the location name or branch code. Viewing location details. The list displays branch name, unique name for each branch. Location name, name of the sub-branch location, example, crusher plant, road site. Editing a location. Click the Edit button to modify location details. Update the location name or other relevant data. Deleting a location. Click the Delete option to remove a location. A confirmation prompt ensures the action is intentional. Adding a new location. Click the Add New button. Enter the location name, select your branch, and click Submit to save. A confirmation message will appear. Spare deduction % management. Spare deduction % for hire vehicles refers to the percentage of spare part costs deducted from hire vehicle expenses. This ensures accurate cost tracking, proper maintenance budgeting, and effective financial planning for hired vehicles. Key features. Viewing spare deduction entries. Users can see a list of all current and past spare deduction percentages. This enables comparison and cost assessment. Adding a new spare deduction %. Click Add New and fill out the form with date, effective date for the deduction. Vehicle spare deduction %, deduction percentage. Click Save to store the entry. Editing a spare deduction %. Click Edit next to an entry. Modify the percentage and date as needed. Click Save to update. Deleting a spare deduction entry. Click Delete next to an entry. Confirm deletion to remove it from the list. Track for spare deduction entries. Track spare part percentage efficiently with the module. Vehicle Equipment Master Management. The Vehicle Equipment Master is a feature designed to manage and organize a comprehensive list of vehicle equipment types. It provides users with tools to efficiently add, edit, search, and delete equipment entries, ensuring accurate record keeping and easy access to relevant vehicle equipment information. Key features. Viewing equipment list. Users can see a list of all vehicle equipment types. Includes columns for vehicle type and other specifications. Adding a new equipment entry. Click Add New, enter the equipment type, and click Save. A confirmation message will appear. Click Save to register the new entry. Searching for equipment. Use the search function to find specific equipment types. Editing equipment details. Click Edit next to an entry. Modify details and click Save to update. Deleting an equipment entry. Click Delete to remove an entry. Confirm deletion to proceed. Tire details. The tire model list includes all available tire models categorized by brand, type, and specifications to ensure compatibility with different vehicle requirements. Branch-wise report. Use the drop-down menu to select a specific branch to view tire reports related to that branch. Search function. Utilize the search bar to quickly find tire records by entering keywords such as tire code or tire model. Viewing tire details. The list displays the following key tire. Tire code, unique identifier for each tire. Tire model, model name or number of the tire. Tire amount, cost or price of the tire. Tire type, specifies the type of tire, example, radial, bias ply. View button, allows users to see detailed tire information. Edit button, enables modification of tire details. Delete button, allows deletion of tire records. Adding a new tire entry. Click the Add New button. Enter required tire details, including serial number, unique identifier. Tire model, model name. Tire make, brand of the tire. Tire position, specifies front or rear location. Purchased from, supplier details. Entry date, date of record entry. Branch, associated branch. Tire type, category of the tire. Purchased date, acquisition date. Purchased amount, cost of the tire. Click Submit to save. A confirmation message will appear. Editing tire details. Click Edit to update tire information as needed. Deleting tire records. Click Delete to remove a tire entry. Confirm deletion to proceed. Battery card. The battery card module is designed to manage and maintain battery information for vehicles, ensuring efficient tracking of critical battery details for heavy-duty machinery such as JCBs, dump trucks, and construction equipment. Search function. Use the search bar to locate specific battery records by entering battery code or battery make. Viewing battery details. The list displays key battery details. Battery code, unique identifier for tracking. Battery type, type of battery, example, lead acid, lithium-ion. Battery make, brand or manufacturer. Expected life, estimated lifespan of the battery. Purchased from, supplier information. Edit button, allows modification of battery details. Delete checkbox, enables selection of records for deletion. Adding a new battery entry. Click Add New and enter the following details. Battery code, unique ID. Battery type, type of battery. Battery make, manufacturer details. Expected life, years estimated lifespan. Purchased from, supplier details. Entry date, date of record entry. Click Submit to save the entry. A confirmation message will appear. Editing battery details. Click Edit to update battery information. Modify the required fields and click Save to update. Deleting battery records. Select records using the Delete checkbox. Click Delete to remove the selected records. Confirm deletion to proceed. By using the tire list and battery card modules, users can efficiently track and manage crucial vehicle components, ensuring operational efficiency and vehicle safety.